Hi everyone, I am Cheung Hong. Today I would like to talk about my design project. It's called Anime Battle Card Game. For the initial idea, I want to make a game that can simulate battle like other card game like FAB or Pokemon. A game that can join different anime together and the player can act like the anime character and use their ability in the game. And let the anime fans enjoy in it and wants to have simple rules to follow and let the game have less luck factor involved. The first model, I make the model with a pen and play with and paper and play with plastic dice. There are three different kinds of cards: the normal attack, the critical attack, and the defense card. Players need to use cards to construct a deck. And I set some rules for the first model. Before playing, the players need to flip the coins to decide which go first. At the start of the game, each player needs to draw 4 cards from deck and draw 1 card for at the start of the turn. Players can play any number of cards each turn. Both players will have 2 dice in the first turn and then will have add 1 dice in every turn. The players need to throw the dice to gain action points to use the card. Both players need to play their card at the same time. Both players will not have hand limits. Each player can draw 1 card after end turn. Players have 5 cards set on the field and 1 effective attack point can let the opponent take 1 card on the side, and the player take all 5 cards on the side will lose. And this is the first model feedback. The rules is unclear and complicated. The players can store dice and cards to gain many critical attacks, which makes the game unfair. And this game is not excited and lots of luck is required for the players. So I make the final model. It's just the color printed paper and stick on the cardboard and use 40 cards to build a deck. And the players need to choose which enemy character and color they use. The specific card will have special description on the cards like this. The attack and defense point is we follow the action in the anime, and number of player of this game is 2. The final model rules is before playing, the player need to flip the coins to decide which go first again. In the start of the game, each player needs to draw 5 cards from deck, and players can play cards to defense after receive attack. On their turn, players need to attack and defense using cards in their hand. Both players can have 2 action points. Players need to play at least 1 card each turn. Players can only hold 4 cards, and each player can draw 1 card on their hand and at the start of the turn. 1 effective attack point can let the opponent take 1 HP, and the player have 0 HP will lose. This is the design term flow for this card game. It's the draw phase, battle phase, and end phase. And the fun factor of this game is that the players can act as their favorite anime character and can enjoy an exciting battle during the games and can train the players' calculate skills because their have many calculations involved for the attack and defense point, and can let the player discuss how to build the deck together. And is this is my conclusion. Design a card game is a very hard work and need to consider the balance and the rules. The feedback and the test is very important for design a card